Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tekken 3 on your laptop. First, you'll need an emulator, which is software that mimics a PlayStation 1 console. A popular choice is ePSXE, known for its ease of use and compatibility. You'll also need a PlayStation 1 BIOS file, which acts as the console's operating system. Make sure to place this BIOS file in the correct folder within your emulator's directory for it to work properly. Next, you'll need the Tekken 3 game ROM. This is essentially a digital version of the game disc. You can find these by searching online for Tekken 3 PSX ROM. Always use reputable sources to avoid malicious files. Once downloaded, the ROM will likely be in A-bin, ISO, or IMG format, often compressed in a zip or RAR archive. Extract the game file to a convenient location on your computer. With the emulator and ROM ready, it's time to configure your settings. Open the emulator and go to the controller setup. Here, you can map your keyboard keys or connect a gamepad for a more authentic feel. Then, adjust the video and audio plugins to enhance graphics and sound quality. Experiment with different settings to find what works best for your system, ensuring smooth gameplay and clear visuals. Finally, you're ready to play. In your emulator, navigate to File and then Run ISO or Run Game and select your Tekken 3 ROM file. The game should now launch. Dive into the arcade mode, practice your favorite character's moves in training, or challenge a friend in versus battle. Enjoy the classic fighting action of Tekken 3 right on your laptop with crisp graphics and responsive controls.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.